Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to delete history in Telegram group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Then here I'm gonna enter a group, and right here, as you can see, I got some random messages. Now if I want to delete just one single message, I can easily do that, so I can now tap at that message, and from the menu that brings up I can just select delete, and now I'm able to select delete for me or for everyone. I'll pick for everyone. And that's it. One single message has been just successfully deleted. Now, in the same way, I can clear multiple messages. I can just hold down, and instead of selecting delete, I can tap where it says select to checkmark the message, and after that I can checkmark as much messages as I want and then bulk delete them. All I have to do is just hit right here at trash icon. Let's say you want to delete the whole group chat history. In that case, all you have to do is right here tap at group profile picture that moves you to group settings, and from here you can tap where it says more to show up that options, and now all you have to do is hit right here at clear messages. That removes all messages from that group, and now you have to select delete for everyone or delete for me. I'll select delete for everyone, and in 5 seconds I can hit at undo to undo the deleting process. After that 5 seconds is gone, there is no way to restore deleted messages. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.